Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to virus scan this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in the settings we need to scroll and find the option Device Care. Here we've got something which is called App Protection, so just tap on it and tap on Turn On. Tap on Turn On, and here tap on Scan Phone. So now your device will basically scan all of the apps that are currently installed on this device, and it will try to find any kind of problems, malware, viruses, any kind of bad things, let's say. So just let your device do it, just wait, be patient, and you will be able to check whether everything is all right. Of course, after scanning, your device will show you the results. Hopefully everything will be fine. It will show you relevant information, but if it will find something, as you can see in my case, no threats has been detected. But if it will find something, then it will obviously inform you about that, and it will help you to get rid of the problem. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.